They're filming season 3 of The House of the Dragon, the prequel to the Game of Thrones. And they're filming it in this area. Going to visit one of the filming locations, which is just a couple of miles away from here. I can actually see the production vehicles in the distance from here. They're going to be filming in a number of locations, but one of them is at this quarry that's in front of me here. There's a lot of vehicles moving about in the quarry, and there's loads of lorries parked just over there in the area where they filmed part of the film Willow in the 1980s. This quarry has been used quite a few times for film productions. They actually filmed season 2 of House of the Dragon here in July 2023. I understand in the second season of House of the Dragon, they filmed the encampment scenes upon this in a clearing just up there. Okay, I'm going to have to find a spot that's 50 meters away from the road to be able to launch the drone. Because of the filming, they've closed the whole quarry, and I understand there's quite tight security. They've blocked a number of entrances leading up to the quarry, so I'm not going to be able to get very close to the place on foot. But I will be able to get the drone over. I can see the film production's base camp in front of me. They've got 2 large marquees, and there's a lot of cars there. So I guess there's a number of minibuses there as well. So I guess they must be driving the actors and the crew up and down from there. My grandfather used to work in this quarry, and in the 1800s it would have been the second largest slate quarry in the world. Okay, I found the spot that was about 70 or 80 meters away from the road, so I was able to take off. You can see the just over the lake now. You can see where the kind of the film crew's base camp is over there in the centre of the screen. I'm flying pretty much as high as I'm legally allowed to now. I was hoping to see some sets lower down in the quarry, but I can't see anything. Just go further to the left here, you can see all the lorries and stuff from the film crew. Actually, the area that you're looking at now, where those lorries and stuff are parked, is where they film scenes for the film Willow. I was there recently making a video the day that Val Kilmer died. I went there to make a video, and I've got an older video where I made the filming locations video there about Willow. You've got loads of lorries there, and you've got all those vehicles by the base camp, and on top of all this you've got a number of other filming locations where there's probably activity ongoing. Look at the view there, amazing. I'll go for a closer look where the kind of the base camp is. Okay, they won't be doing any filming down there, but I won't go any closer than that. See the road there that leads up to the quarry. That's the road I took when I made the Willow video. There's some activity very high up on the quarry, but I'm not going to be able to fly that high. I understand they're filming multiple locations. both on Ynys Môn and in the Eryri National Park area. Making my way back down to the road without falling. It was worth coming just for the scenery. I think I'll have a little sit down here for a while. I wish I'd brought a flask with me so I could have a coffee. Okay, this is 2 days later. I'm back here. Weather's not as good today, but they're still in the quarry filming. I could see them as I was driving here. And I've spotted another filming location further down the valley where they're setting up at the moment. I've dragged myself up this mountainside. And the quarry, you see the slate ripple from the quarry there. I just need to get closer to that. I'll see how it goes. I might even try and go above the quarry, and I'll try and fly to the spots where they're filming. I'm guessing it might be too far away, but I'll check on Google Maps, but we'll have a look to see what we'll see. There's some menacing clouds, but the weather should be okay for another 2 hours. This area here is where they filmed the encampment scenes in season 2. They've probably seen the drone now. Seems to be some activity there. I think it might be too far away, but they're filming around here, I'd say. Okay, to go a little bit further. Okay, here they are. I'm not going to hang about, but we'll have a quick look. It might be hard to see if you're watching this on a mobile phone, but there were at least 8 horse boxes down there. So obviously they're filming a scene with horses. The camera seems to be on top of this rock, and I'd say that they were actually going to be filming here. I spotted something interesting as I was flying over the area where they filmed the encampment scenes in season 2. So I went back there. Notice this area here, which looks charred. There's some photos online of some burnt carts in the quarry. These carts would have been destroyed by a dragon in the new season. And as you can see here, that you can see the wheels of some of the carts. Okay, I've moved on further down the valley now. I mentioned earlier that I spotted another filming location. Just going to have a quick look at that. Okay, there's the other filming location down there. Can't see any props there, so I guess they're probably just filming by the lake, I guess. I'll go further down, then I'll get the drone up again. Okay, I don't think there's much to see here, but we'll have a quick look. Okay, there's not too much going on there at the moment, but they're obviously preparing to film. See those 2 cranes there? I think those would hold the lights. Just go higher up in case I can see anything else. Just come to the other side. There's a lot going on here. I'd say they're probably filming on this rock then. They're not filming at the moment, so I'll get closer. Oh, I was a bit cheeky now, I'm getting pretty close. Okay, there's some props here, like bolters, fake bolters. So this is definitely where they're filming. Okay. I'll leave now before I upset them. Day 3, I'm in Ynys Môn now. For the most part, they seem to be revisiting locations from the second season for the third season. They had already filmed some scenes here 2 days before my visit. But it's clear that they were still going to be doing some more filming by the old quarry. If I followed the shoreline, I could probably get right up to this one. But I don't think I'll do that because there's almost certainly going to be 1 or 2 security guards there. And they're going to ask me not to film. It might be easier just getting the drone there. There's some vehicles in the distance on the top left-hand side of the screen. And they've built this like a temporary road here for all the production vehicles. Oh, there's a set here, or a small set anyway. Let's go a little bit closer. It's very quiet there, so they're definitely not filming tonight. Okay. I think there's go a little bit closer, there's a prop there, there's some steps. Yeah, those steps are definitely a prop. To the right of them you can see some wooden boards. So those are wooden steps and they've been painted to make them look like stone, I'd say. I can't see anybody there, but there must be a security guard there somewhere. As there's nobody there, I think I can go closer. Ah, yeah, there you go. Just go further up in case there's anything else to see. Just have a quick look over here, but I think this will be just like a car park for the production vehicles. If you've come across my channel for the first time, I'm a Welsh YouTuber and I make famous graves videos, filming location videos and pop culture videos. I'm going to be making some more House of the Dragon videos, so please subscribe if you're a fan of the series.
We sat on the roof. You said you'd try to explain. You told me all your secrets. Then you said it would rain. And now I'm standing here without a clue. 'Cause I thought I knew every single part of you. How does it hurt? Like tearing up a hole inside you. For what it's worth, yeah, I know what you're going through. What can I do?